Yo, what up, what up? Exodus family, we back, man, with another Project Progress Report. I am Kituko X Kihinde. I want to say appreciate it to my broski, man, Amhar. Y'all go subscribe to his channel. He making it happen, man. We back on the restaurant, man. I'm just showing y'all this real quick. He sent me some clips. So we getting through doing the flows, man. We got to paint the roof. He through painted though. But we got to do the tiles, get through the kitchen, man. I'm just showing y'all what's going on, man. We back on it, man. Enjoy the video.
Macam? The kind time now is clear. Yeah.
We are arranging the new locks with the door, changing the new locks. We are doing them. We'll remove this door, arranging the new locks. We are already done with the floor. Fixing. I bought some new locks. This one got bad. This one got bad. They were the one that the key was missing. So I bought some new locks again. This is the change in the locks. New locks. The new one that I bought now. I bought like 4 of them. So this is about like 1, 2, 3. There are 4 of them. 4 here. These are the 4th one, the 4th carton. 4 of them. The 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But this window, that door, the backside one. The one on the back door. Then you know that this door take 2, 1 here and 1 on the back door, 4. So these are the 4 locks. Change all the 4 because the key was missing. And the 4 locks. That's what they're doing there. That's what they're putting. Trying to fit the locks back. Fitting the locks. paint. We have done the painting of the ceiling. The paint is covered on the ceiling. Then this is the first coat of the paint. But the paint is not enough. You see it's finished already. I bought just one pocket of it. So it's finished. There's nothing left. It's finished. Now we still need this pocket, about 3 of them, before you can take the whole of the house, both in and out. 3 of this pocket. You know. So but we just make sure that the ceiling got finished. So the filling is already done. One just was finished on the ceiling. Then we'll put the first coating in the restaurant. See, easy walking there. That's the first coating. The restaurant. The first coating. Shows it.